So we got some leaked dimensions of the Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7. And here's what we got. So starting off right away, I don't know why, and I think it's just the dimensions, like with this render or whatever, but that camera bump looks so freaking massive. But now that I think about it, in a way, it's kind of going to be massive, right? Because at the end of the day, the camera bump, the phone is very, very thin, okay? When the phone is open, and that's what these two images right here and here are with the phone open. When the phone is open, this thing is the thinnest foldable cell phone on the planet. And because of that, the camera bump is going to look massive. Now, of course, when it's, closed, it's not going to look as massive because when it's closed, it's actually a little bit thick. But when it's open, that camera bump is going to give some definite, Surface Duo 2 vibes. Not as bad, but to a capacity, it's going to look really massive. It just isn't going to once it's closed. It's like a perspective thing when the phone's open versus the phone's closed. But again, yes, this phone, finally we're now at a point with the Z Fold 7 that we're seeing a foldable cell phone that is candy bar on the outside. On the inside, it's a foldable cell phone. Now, it's not there quite yet, but it's almost there. And obviously, this is the whole thing with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It's actually there, so Samsung is still getting there. I'm sorry, I gotta trash on Samsung, especially with how good the 9 Pro Fold is. I love the 9 Pro Fold, personally. But we also had a Z Flip 7, which, again, do not buy. Wait to the Z Flip 8, 100%. Or buy the new Motorola Razr 2025 edition. I mean, honestly, listen, I'm waiting till next year to buy any foldable, flippable phone outside of just reviewing on the channel, like for an actual device. It is hard to wait when you look at that Motorola 2025 edition. It is so good. It looks amazing. And I know at the end of the day, it's very similar looking to the 2024 edition, but the 2024 edition was already amazing. I mean, that was already beautiful. So you took an already beautiful concept, beautiful device, and you just added more beauty to it. So it definitely helps. I'll tell you that. Definitely helps. But again, these are the leaked renders. Across the board, I'm excited for this phone. It comes out in July, mid-July. So we are roughly 2.5 months away. So let's get ready, guys. It's going to happen sooner than later. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.